After reorganizing the material descriptions by assigning correct material types, manufacturers, and products as needed, the database is much better organized and it's easier to find your materials. To illustrate the difference after organizing, this screen shows the state of the material hierarchy before organizing the material descriptions. The material level of the hierarchy before organization is a combination of manufacturers, products, distributors, and material types. The top level should only be material types. After organizing the material descriptions, the new material hierarchy looks like this. The top level now consists of general material types, such as compact surfaces, granite, and quartz. The second level displays the manufacturers of the selected material. The third level is the product level. This can also be used to define the collection or series of a particular product. For instance, under compact surface, we see Cosentino. As we open the result tree, we see the product name Decton. Under this is a list of Decton material names. A second example illustrates using the product level to group names within a manufacturer's specific collection. For instance, within the quartz material type, I'll open Vicastone to display their three collections: classic, exotic, and natural. If we open one of the collections, only the names associated with that collection are displayed. The product and collection can also be combined. Let's return to Decton. Decton is the product, but if we would like the ability to group Decton names by collection, we can add the collection name to the product name. We'll start by filtering to show only Decton material descriptions. Next, we'll update the product column for the colors that belong to the liquid collection by adding liquid to the product name. Now let's take a look at the results tree. After modifying the product description, we have a new level in products which reflects the changes we made. Let's continue by adding the wild collection to the product column and take a look at the results. First Odin, then Mackay. It's also possible to insert a new material name using the description editor. We'll insert another wild collection color, Sanddrift. The first step to inserting a new row is to clear any groups or filters that may be active. After this, click in the grid, right-click and select Insert Row. Now fill in the rows and a new material name has been created. After completing your changes, remember to select Apply to update your existing slabs as well as the database hierarchy. The next video will cover correcting naming errors and assigning material finishes as needed.